So welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we want to find the value of x, given that you have 4 to the power of x equals 96. Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, let's introduce log to both sides. So we are going to have log 4 to the power of x equals log 96. So from here, when we have log p to the power of m, this power m, we have it in base as m times log p. So from here we have x times log 4 equals log 96. So let's divide through by the coefficients of x, log 4. So from here, this will cancel out this. So implies we have x equals log 96 over log 4. So from here, then let us recall that we can have 96 as the product of 4 times 24. 4 times 24 will give us 96. So from here, we have x equals log, open parenthesis, 4 times 24 over log 4. Then from here, from the law of logarithm, when we have log a times b, all in parentheses, we can have this as log a plus log b. So we have x equals log 4 plus log 24 over log 4. So from here, when we have a parameter p plus parameter m over parameter n, such that p, m, n are constants, we can have this to be p over n plus m over n. So by applying it here, where we have parameter p to be log 4, parameter m to be log 24, parameter n to be log 4, dividing it as we have it here, so we are going to have x equals log 4 over log 4 plus log 24 over log 4. So we have x, log 4 over log 4 will be 1 plus log 24 over log 4. Then let us note we can have 24 as the product of 4 times 6 again. So we have x 1 plus log 4 times 6 over log 4. So from here, guys, we have x 1 plus log 4 plus log 6 over log 4. When we have this, we can also divide through by log 4 here, log 4 here. So this will be x equals 1 plus log 4 over log 4 plus log 6 over log 4. So we have x 1, this divided by this again will also be 1 plus log 6 over log 4. So x 1 plus 1, this will be 2 plus log 6 over log 4. Then let us note we can also have 6 as the product of 2 times 3. So from here we have x equals 2 plus log 2 times 3 over log 4. Then let us note we can have 4 as 2 times 2 equals 2 to the power of 2. So from here we have x equals 2 plus log 2 plus log 3 divide log 4. We can have it as log 2 to the power of 2. Divide this by log 4 ordinarily. X to be 2 plus log 2 over 2 times log 2 plus log 3 over log 4. We have x 2. This will cancel out this. We have 1 over 2 plus log 3 over log 4. X, the LCM will now be 2. When this divided by 1, 1 here is 1. 1 into 2 is 2 times this 2 will be 4 plus 1 plus log 3 over log 4. We have x, 4 plus 1 will be 5 over 2 plus log 3 over log 4. So when we have log a over log b equals log of a in base b. So from here we have x 5 over 2 plus log 3 over log 4. Then let us recall when we have log a, so we have x 5 over 2. This will be log 3 in base 4. So when we have the value of x to be 5 over 2 plus log 3 in base 4, we have to verify the solution or the answer rather. Let's say to check. So we have 4 to the power of x equals 96. When x equals this, we are going to have 4 to the power of 5 over 2 plus log 3 in base 4 is going to give us 96. So from here, when we have a to the power of m plus n, this will be equals a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we are going to have this as 4 to the power of 5 over 2 times 4 to the power of log 3 in base 4. Then it's going to give us 96. So from here we can have 4 in base 2 as 2 to the power of 2 in parentheses to the power of 5 over 2 times 4 to the power of log 3 in base 4. Then it's going to give us 96. These two must cancel out. We have 2 to the power of 5 left times 4 to the power of log 3 in base 4. Then it's going to give us 96. Then let us recall when we have a to the power of log b in base a, this will always give us b. So therefore from here, 2 to the power of 5 will give us 32 times 4 to the power of log 3 in base 4 is going to give us 96. So we have this to be 32 times 4 here, 4 here. They have the same thing as this. The output will be 3. Then it's going to give us 96. So from here, 3 times 2 will give us 6. 3 times 3 will give us 9. This equals 96. Since the left hand side equals to the right hand side, this implies this answer is correct. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos.